Hi everyone! Today's recipe is stuffed calzone. In this recipe, we need 340 ml water, 6 grams fresh yeast. Another ingredient, 1 teaspoon honey. If you don't like to put honey, you may use sugar. 1 teaspoon of granulated white sugar. Another ingredient, 500 grams bread flour and 12 grams salt. Mix all the ingredients. Slightly mix all the ingredients, then knead the dough for 10 minutes. Dust the working table with bread flour and knead the dough for 10 minutes. Grease the bowl with oil and let it rest the whole night. After the whole night, here it is. The dough has risen. On the working table, dust it with bread flour and work on the dough for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of working on the dough, return it on the bowl, cover it, and prepare the condiments. First, let's prepare the sauce. These are the ingredients for the sauce: pure tomato sauce, dried oregano, salt, olive oil, and basil leaves. Since it's hard to grow basil plant on winter time, I'll use frozen basil leaves. Let's prepare the other stuff, like the mozzarella, 300 grams fresh mozzarella, and cooked ham. Now, let's go back to the dough. Dust the table with semolina flour or bread flour. Then, divide the dough into 3. Now it's time to form each dough into a ball. With the help of the rolling pin, widen each ball by flattening it. The next step is to fill each flattened dough with condiments or stuff, the sauce that is prepared, and the cooked ham and mozzarella. First, spread tomato sauce, followed by cooked ham, then mozzarella. Do this operation only on the top part of the dough. After doing it, close the edges. Use your fingers to close the edges. Spread also tomato sauce on top. Add a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Same process on the other dough. Now, it's time to cook them. In the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until they are done. The stuffed calzones are done. It's eating time. Try these stuffed calzones. Your family will love it. Thanks for watching.